front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to install your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera in your browser. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just select Home button and go into Devices Settings. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. After that, go into Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now finally, choose the food apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on Opera Mini and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!